It's a 2016 Honda Pilot. Style runs in the family, and watch the family run to pile into this roomy Pilot. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. V6 engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, Honda Link, entertainment system with Blu-ray, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend reports Honda has redefined an already capable package in ways that should spike its desirability index with both core and conquest buyers. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. The time is now. See it for yourself today.